You're stranded in the wild, no phone signal, nobody coming to rescue you, just you and the great outdoors. What you eat and drink could literally be the difference between life and death. So here's what you actually need to know to survive, step by step. First, up water. You can last weeks without food, but only a few days without water. Look for streams, rivers, but never drink straight from them. There could be bacteria and parasites. If you've got a metal container, boil the water for at least a minute. No pot? Try using your shirt as a filter to get rid of the worst bits, then let the sun do some of the work. UV rays help kill germs, so leave the water in a clear bottle in sunlight for a few hours if you've got one, but when in doubt, always boil. Now, food. The movies make it look easy, just pluck berries or dig up roots. But the wild can be tricky and some things are downright deadly. Start with the obvious. Insects, crickets, grasshoppers, and even ants are packed with protein. Just avoid anything that's brightly colored or hairy. That's nature's way of saying, don't eat me. If you're near water, fish are a solid bet. Even if you don't have a rod, you can set simple traps with rocks or use your hands slowly, moving them under the fish and flipping it onto land. It's not pretty, but it works. Plants are tricky. Only eat what you recognize. Dandelions, flowers, leaves, roots, all edible. Nettles can be boiled to make a decent soup, just mind the sting. Avoid mushrooms unless you're absolutely sure what you're doing. People get that wrong all the time, and it can be fatal. For quick calories, look for nuts, hazel, chestnut, acorn. But remember, acorns need to be soaked or boiled first to get rid of the bitter stuff called tannins. And berries, stick to familiar ones like blackberries. If you're not sure, leave it. If you're desperate, tree bark is an option. The inner layer, called the cambium, can be eaten raw or boiled. It won't taste great, but it's better than nothing. Finally, don't forget to ration your food. The body can go days without eating, so focus on water first, then safe sources of energy. Stay calm, move slowly, and make every find count. Remember, in the wild, knowledge is your best tool, and sometimes your only one. Stay sharp, stay safe, and you'll make it out.